Hey everyone, how are you? If you are a Python developer and you want to create APIs using Python, then FastAPI is one of the best choice to create APIs. I am going to start a new series on FastAPI, and this is a full series where if you are a beginner, after watching the series, after understanding everything about FastAPI which I am going to tell you in this series, you will be an advanced and a pro user and a pro developer of FastAPI. Why should you watch this particular series? Because I'm going to create small duration videos and each video will just cover a small part of fast API concepts. So I'm going to cover each concept one by one in small duration videos. There will be no overhead. You are not going to get overwhelmed with a lot of concepts at once. You can watch small videos and learn about different concepts in small chunks. And don't worry guys, we are going to cover each and every concept you should know about fast API, and those will be covered using small duration videos. So you will be having all the concepts clear and definitely you will be an advanced and a pro user of fast API. And at the end of the series, I am definitely going to create a big video, and that video I will be focusing on creating a project, end-to-end project using fast API, where we are going to utilize all the knowledge, all the concepts we have learned during this series. You can even binge watch the series over a weekend and be an expert in fast API. You just need to give a weekend of yours, and after watching this series, you will definitely be an expert in fast API. Now let us see some concept about what is fast API. Basically, it is a Python based framework to develop APIs, and APIs are nothing but application programming interface. So basically, using fast API, we are going to develop APIs, and these are based on Python. So it's a Python based framework. What should you already know before you start learning fast API? You should know Python's basics. Your Python basics should be clear. I'm not asking that you should be a really great Python developer. Even if you are a basic Python user, even if your basic concepts of Python are clear, you are good to go. Knowing a little bit about OOPS concept is very important. Basically, OOPS means object oriented programming concepts. And don't worry if you do not know about this. While covering the course, we are going to cover everything in such a way that you will start understanding about OOPS concept as well. But still, I would tell you that if you know basics of OOPS concept, then it is going to be good. And yes, knowing about what is an API. The full form is Application Programming Interface. But what exactly is an API? Knowing about the basics of an API is also very important. So if you know about this, it is good. Else, we are going to create a small duration video which is going to be focused on APIs, where I'm going to tell you what is an API. Now, talking about the fast API features, it is a very high performance framework, and this is a framework which can be used to create APIs of web services as well. Basically, it's a web framework, or you can say it is an API framework, and it is very high performance framework. It is fast. The name of this is fast API, but it is not just the name. It is actually very fast. It is actually having a very high performance. So the APIs created by fast API are really fast and the performance is really good. It is easy to work with. So once you start understanding the concepts of fast API, you will understand that it is really easy to learn and to work with as well. The way the framework is built, you will find it very easy to create simple as well as complex projects, and it is production ready. Basically, API should follow a standard. There is something called as Open API, and it provides specifications, some design patterns which an API should follow. Fast API follows all those standards, and that is why it is a production ready framework. The APIs created by Fast API are production ready. Now, what is the motivation that you should learn about Fast API? Apart from that, it can create APIs. It is used by a lot of big companies like Netflix, Uber, Cisco, Microsoft, and many more companies. So it's a really good motivation to learn about Fast API now and start creating APIs using Fast API. So guys, that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to see how to install Fast API in our own system. We are going to cover every concept in detail with small videos. So for now, that's it for this video guys. If you are excited to learn about Fast API, then make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And also in the comment box, tell me that why do you want to learn about Fast API? What is your motivation to learn Fast API? I will see you guys in the next video. I want to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this one.